What if I told you the scariest part of Stranger Things isn't the monsters? It's the science behind it. Imagine walking into your house one day and everything is there, but not quite right. The air feels heavier, the walls feel darker, the world looks like ours, but empty, silent, decaying. A mirror of reality, a shadow version of our world. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you scientists have explored ideas disturbingly similar to this? Real theories, real science, and questions we still can't answer. So today we ask one question. Could something like the upside down actually exist in real life? Welcome to Mystery Solved. This is a place where science, theories, and unanswered questions collide. Here we explore the mystery that exists between what we know and what we don't. We live in a universe we barely understand. We know the basics: gravity, space, and time. But beyond that, reality becomes strange, unstable, and deeply mysterious. Scientists believe our universe may not be the only one. There could be other dimensions, other realities existing alongside ours, but completely invisible to us. Now, this is where something interesting happens. Because the show Stranger Things takes these real scientific ideas and turns them into a story. In the series, the Upside Down is shown as a dark reflection of a world frozen in time, connected through portals, and hostile to human life. While the show itself is fictional, the inspiration behind it is surprisingly grounded. The idea of alternate dimensions, the idea of portals, and even the concept of environments that human can't survive in. All of these are discussed in real scientific theories. Of course, there is no evidence of monsters crossing into our world, but the idea of multiple realities is taken very seriously by philosophers. And here's something fascinating. Scientists have openly discussed the possibility that extra dimensions could exist, but be too small for us to perceive. Not proven, not confirmed, but seriously studied. So Stranger Things may not be real, but the ideas behind it aren't completely imaginary. And that's what makes it unsettling, because sometimes fiction is only a step ahead of science. Let's imagine something for a moment. If a real upside down existed, what might it actually be like? It probably wouldn't exactly look like the show. It might not even be visible to us at all. Some believe that parallel universes could exist right beside us, but separated by dimensions we cannot perceive. Think of it like this: two radio stations playing in the same room. Both are there, but you can only hear one because you're tuned to a single frequency. Another possibility is something called brain universe theory. This suggests our universe could be like a sheet floating in a higher dimension, and other universes could be floating nearby, close but unreachable. And then there's something even stranger. Scientists have observed a phenomenon called quantum tunneling, where particles pass through barriers that should be impossible to cross. On a tiny scale, reality already behaves in a way that defies logic. So the real question becomes, if reality can behave strangely on a small scale, what might be possible on a cosmic scale? Maybe not monsters, maybe not vines on walls, but strange environments, alternate realities, distorted laws of physics. These are not impossible ideas. And perhaps the scariest thought of all of this is if another reality existed, we might not even realize it. So, can the upside down exist in real life? Science does not say yes, but it also does not say no. What science tells us is this: the universe is vast, reality is complex, and there is far more we don't understand than what we do. Mysteries are what drive discovery forward. Some mysteries are solved, others remain unanswered. So I'll leave you with one question: is the mystery of the upside down really solved? Or is it still waiting to be understood? If you enjoyed exploring this mystery with me, there are many more still waiting to be solved. Subscribe to Mystery Solved and let me know in the comments what mystery should we uncover next.